Hi, welcome to Mini Shop's How to Sculpt videos with myself, Elizabeth, and today I'll be showing you how to make hearts with the option of turning them into buttons. Also, I love seeing what you guys have made, so if you send me a photo, I can show it at the end of my videos. Let's get to it. To begin, you'll need something to protect your tabletop. A plain old piece of paper will do, some clay, and a toothpick or a potter's needle. Take about as much clay as you want for the shape of your heart. If you're doing a button, make sure that you know what size you want it. Then we're going to warm it up so it doesn't crack in the oven. Alright, once it's warmed up, roll it into a ball either between your fingers or on your work surface or between your palms. Once we have that little ball, we're going to take it between our thumb and index finger and we're just going to slightly press it. Alright, once we have that, we're going to take our thumb and index finger again and make them into a triangular shape and then press. Put the clay right there and just press it. Now that we have that, you can take your finger and round the edge by tapping it just a little bit. And then we are going to make sure this top is nice and sloped, like a half circle. Take our toothpick or potter's needle and line it up on the center, and then about where the pinch stops or where the angle stops, we're going to make a line down to there, and we're kind of cutting it, but our pressing motion is going to be the cutting force here. Alright, once it looks like that, you're going to take your thumb or your finger and you're going to just slide the clay along that edge on both sides. And the nice thing about clay is it's fairly forgiving, so it will smooth out if you make a mistake. So keep smoothing those until the edges look more circular, like so, and then you can smooth around that side. This smoothing motion, you're gonna just kind of pull your finger along it like this, not pressing too hard, but just to pull, as if you're checking for dust on a countertop or something. All right, keep doing that and press it until you're pleased with the outcome. And there, if you want to finish there, or if you want to make it a magnet, you can take your magnet and kind of indent it in the back or a brooch before you bake it, but don't leave it on in the oven. Or if you want to make it into a button, take your toothpick again, size up the middle like so, make a little dot before and then a little dot. Make sure you like where those holes will be. Set it down and push, kind of spinning as we're pushing, and then we'll do the other one, push and spin, and then we'll go from the other side. See how they're small? We want to make them a little bigger, like so and like so. And then you look on both sides, make sure you like it. You can sign your name on the back. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know, and if you have any suggestions for my next video, if you would like to see something specific made, please let me know also. Have a good day. Bye.